To set volume up and down keys as shortcut for high contrast font in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Tap volume up and down keys and then select high contrast font. Now you can easily enable or disable high contrast font feature by pressing and holding the volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select high contrast font. When this feature is enabled, your phone will adjust the color and outline of font to make them stand out. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.